welcome to Gone Digging, a special holiday episode. This morning we're going out for a couple hours to a construction site that, like many construction sites, are going to destroy a whole bunch of relics, and once they're gone, they'll be gone forever. This is the, I guess, the spoil piles off of a construction site in a roadway that's been underneath asphalt and concrete for the past, I guess, 60 or 70 years. This road was paved in the 1930s. So some really neat stuff's come out there. We're gonna meet a couple friends, and we're gonna go hit it up before we eat Thanksgiving. So I hope everybody out there has a great Thanksgiving holiday. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. Alright, so we got out to this construction site, and Kim's got him a nice drop. You can pick the thing out of there and show him the base. That is dropped Confederate Gardner. So cool, man. Awesome. Here we go. Bullet number 2 laying down in the dirt. Came out of this gray stuff, so I'm going to look for this area around here. But sweet.
He's pretty cool because
all right, we just popped a target out of the hole. I see it on the ground there. You see it?
Yeah.
Grab it. Cool. What do we got?
3-ringer.
3-ringer. Nice find. Here we go. Bow. So just laying right on top of the ground, I ended up picking up this. That's the I believe the either brass underplug to a Borman fuse, or no, that is the plug to a Confederate side loader. It's got the 2 holes for the spanner wrench where they screwed it down into the side of the shell, so they could load it with a case and stuff like that.
Wow.
So that's cool. Really neat.
Yeah, that's neat.
I got a bullet signal, and I see something laying on top of the ground, so we're gonna pick that up. Oh, that's a turn off of a lantern. It's really mangled up though. So yeah, that's pretty neat. Is that it? No. What we got?
Smashed 3-ringer.
Smashed 3-ringer.
Yeah, you can see the 3 rings.
Nice. Nice works out. Flipped another plug up, and look what's laying on top of the ground. That is a drop. Actually, that's fired. That may be oops, that may be Confederate bullet. We'll have to clean that one out and look. So kind of looks like a Georgia teat. We'll figure it out. Oops. Oh, there it is. He's got it in his hand. Get that thing.
That's that one there's been in the ground a long time.
Nice. Drop bullet.
The top is
dropped or fired. On 3-ringer.
Yeah.
Nice work, guys.
Cool. Oh, I need to kind of get
So we're gonna wrap this up. It's Thanksgiving Day, so we're gonna go eat some turkey. So for Tim, Alex, and Matt, we hope you have a great Thanksgiving, and thanks for watching Gone Digging.